Pussycat, pussycat, where had you been? Had been to London to look at the Queen. Had been to London to look at the Queen. Every king had a queen. Every king had a queen. Like this, Krishna Dev Rai had a queen. Now come back to my third lesson of wit and wisdom. How have you enjoyed the first two lessons? I think you have gone through it rightly. Now, let's read the third lesson. You have faced many problems in your life. Now, you are fighting, you are struggling, you are again making friendship. The moment you are making friendship, the next second moment I have seen you in the class, that again you are fighting. It's a very common feature for you that you people are fighting in the class, again making friendship. So, like this, the king and queen had also a quarrel. So, let's see how the quarrel was solved by the queen wisely, taking the help of Tenali Ram. I have already told about Tenali Ram, and you might have gone about Tenali Ram's tale. I told that it is full of humors. It is a very good lesson for you. You have to buy that book, Tenali Ram stories, and you must read it. Okay, I expect all of you must have read it. Okay, so let's visualize this picture. What do you see in this picture? Why are they pointing out their fingers towards each other? What might be the cause behind it? What do you think about it? I think you can frame a story looking at this picture. That why? You can name them. Any two names you can take. And why are they fighting for any incident? You can add also. What might be the reason? Might be regarding their school copies, or any pencil, pen, or any geometry box, or anything else, or the tips they have got from their teachers, or for their tiffin, sharing of tiffin. What might be the cause? You think about it and frame a story of your own in your own words. Am I right? Now let's read. Even the wisest rulers face moments of disharmony, and at one such time, the king had a quarrel with his queen, Thirumalambala. Thirumalambal, the queen, over a seemingly trivial matter. For a silly matter, Thirumalambal, the queen, had a quarrel with the king. For weeks, he didn't utter a single word to her, and in his frustration, stopped visiting her altogether. His absence cast a shadow over the palace, and the once cheerful corridors seemed quiet and forlorn. Thirumalambal was upset and tried her best to resolve the issue, but failed. With no other alternative, she decided to seek the help of Tenali Ram, the court's brilliant and witty poet. Tenali Ram, the court's brilliant and witty poet. Rama listened patiently as the queen recounted the incident in detail. Now look at these words given for you. Wisest. It's the superlative degree of wise, wiser, and wisest. It's an adjective meaning having the greatest knowledge. Synonym is intelligent, clever. Sentence we can make: the wisest teacher gives good advice. You can say jackal, the wisest of all animals, the wisest animal. Now, disharmony. It's a noun. The meaning is lack of peace. Synonym: disagreement or conflict. Sentence we can make: disharmony in the family makes everyone sad. And recently, you might have seen the disharmony between Israel and USA, United States of America. How Trump is doing the work, and this has led to the West Asia crisis. It's a turmoil. And this has been created by the disharmony between US, United States of America, and Israel. Now, quarrel. It's a noun, an argument. You have argument with your friends. Very often you are arguing with each other. Now, synonym is fight and dispute. Sentence we can make. The two friends had a quarrel yesterday. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. You might have read this poem. I think all of you have known it. Trivial, adjective. The meaning is very small. Synonym, petty, unimportant. For a trivial matter, a great war took place in the world, like the Mahabharata. See how it took place because of a very trivial matter, that not giving a landed property, not even giving a single land to the Pandavas, and that led to the great Mahabharata. Like this, the Ramayana also, for a trivial matter, that Sita was left in one or forest by Ram by after listening the word from the washerman. So only because of a trivial matter we have seen that great war took place. So what we should do? We shouldn't think about the trivial matter. We should avoid it. Think about it wisely, calmly, because anger is the greatest enemy of man. So we have to control our anger. We should be very calm and quiet and silent, and wisely we have to think. Silence is gold. Utter, it's an adjective. Meaning is to say. Synonym, speak, express something. Sentence, it was an utter mistake. Children, our tongue is very strong. If you speak sweet, soft language, you can be a friend of all. But if you use harsh words, you will become an enemy for others. So think wisely and speak accordingly. Frustration. Noun, the feeling of anger. Synonym is upset, disappointment. Sentence, he showed his frustration after losing the game. Very often it has been seen that children are very often they are frustrating with that present system, and that's why our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi has opened the program that for examination Pariksha Pe Charcha to reduce your stress or burden about examination, because it's examination that leads frustration for the students. So to avoid frustration of the students, our Prime Minister has wisely arranged Pariksha Pe Charcha. Now fallen is an adjective. Meaning is feeling abandoned. Synonym, very sad and lonely. Sentence, the little poppy looked fallen in the rain. If you want something and you have not got it, your parents have not given any attention to you but to your elder brother and sister, how do you find yourself? I think you can say and know what fallen is. Now, corridors. It's a noun. Meaning is long passages in a building. Synonym, passageways and aisles. The corridors of the palace are very long. Alternative, noun and adjective. It is both a noun and an adjective. Another choice. Synonym, substitute. Option. If tea is not available, then what do? You can prefer coffee to tea because you have no tea. Now sentence, we must find an alternative solution to the problem. recounted. Verb, it is verb in second degree of recount. Recount, recounted, and recounted. The meaning is told something again. Synonym is narrated, told. Sentence we can make, the boy recounted the story to his friends. Now, seek, verb. Verb in second degree will be sought. So, to look for. Synonym is sought, look for. Sentence we can make, we should seek help when we have a problem. We should seek our parental help, elderly help, teachers' help before solving any problem. We don't have to take any decision to suicide because very often it has been seen that students commit suicide. So, where does the defect lie? Because you are taking our own decision, and that decision making power is left with our parents, elders, and teachers, whom we must consult. We have to seek their help. We have to seek their thoughts. We need their help. We need their suggestion. Then only we can go ahead. Otherwise, the outcome will be very defeating one. That will lead towards frustration. So before taking any decision, we must seek our parents' decision. We must seek our parental help, teacherly help, or elderly help. Then we can proceed. Resolve. It's a noun. Meaning is to solve a problem. Synonym, settlement and solution. Sentence we can make, the teacher tried to resolve the problem. Have you resolved any problem in your life? Answer the following questions. Learning activity 1. Who had a quarrel with the king? The queen Thirumalambal had a quarrel with the king. Over what kind of matter did the king quarrel with the queen? Over a trivial matter, a very silly matter, which is not very important, unimportant. For how long did the king stop talking to the queen? For weeks, for many weeks, the queen didn't talk with the king. Whom did the queen seek help from? The queen sought help from Tenali Rama, whose absence cast a shadow over the palace. The king's absence. Now, make sentences under learning activity 2 using the following words. First one is disharmony. Disharmony in the team causes many problems. So we must live with harmony. We must live in harmony with each other. Because if you argue with each other, it leads towards disharmony, and that will be causing so many problems. That will cause many problems. So we should live in harmony with each other. Disharmony in the team causes many problems. Frustration. He showed frustration when he couldn't solve the question. If he is not able to solve the mathematical problem, then the child finds himself frustrated. So, to avoid frustration, we must think about it and calmly, quietly, we can solve the question. And if needed, we can seek the help of our teachers. Alternative. We looked for an alternative way to finish the work. Is there any alternative for you? I think no. You were the masterpiece. So you must think about your work and go ahead in your work. Witty. Tenali Ram was a witty man in the king's court. Who was a witty man in Emperor Akbar's court? Birbal. Now, I think you must be a witty student in your class. Can you be? Now, result. The teacher tried to resolve the problem. You have to resolve your own problem, right? Seeking the help of elders, teachers, or whom do you like most? Try to resolve your own problem. But before resolving, you must consult with your parents, teachers, elders, or whom do you like most? Now, learning activity 3. Find the conjunctions in the following sentences. Question number 1. She tried her best to resolve the issue. Failed. Answer is but. The right conjunction is but, and you have answered it well. Rama listened patiently. The queen recounted the incident. The correct answer is Aj, and you have answered it nicely. Thank you a lot. Now, question number 3. The queen was sad. The king didn't speak to her. Right answer because. Thank you that you have answered rightly. Question number 4. The corridors were quite fallen. The right answer you have given and. Thank you. Next, question number 5. The king was angry. Stop talking to the queen. The left place is filled by and you have answered it nicely. Thank you all. Now, assessment 1. Rearrange the following jumbled words to make meaningful sentences. You might have visualized the words given here, putting a slash in between queen, then slash the, thereafter quarrel, then slash heart, then again slash a, then king, then the, and with. Think about it. What is the right answer? Yes, you are absolutely right. The king had a quarrel with the queen. Now, question number B. Help. Tenali Rama, they shut queen from. Think about it. Yes, you are absolutely correct. The queen sought help from Tenali Rama. Question number C. Corridors, the quiet, where, palace, the up. You must have seen in the script and think about the right answer. Yes, the right answer given by you. The corridors of the palace were quiet patiently. Question number D. Patiently. Then a slash Rama. Then another slash listened. Slash the. Then another slash queen and slash thereafter 2. Think about it. What is the right sentence? You have to rearrange it. Okay, you have got the right answer. Rama listened patiently to the queen. Then question number E. First word is trivial. Second word is over. Then they matter. A argued. So jumble these words. And yes, you are right. They argued over a trivial matter. They argued over a trivial matter. Your answer is 100% correct. Thank you a lot. Now, question number 8. Offset slash is there. The was queen. The right sentence is the queen was upset. Yes, you are 100% correct. Now move towards assessment 2. Are you comfortable in doing this assessment? I'm sure that you can do. Fill in the blanks with a suitable conjunction. The conjunctions are given below in the box. And, because, so, aaj, for. Thirumalambala was upset. Dash is there. tried her best to resolve the issue. Think about the right answer. Yes, you have given the right answer. That is ant. Thirumalambala was upset and tried her best to resolve the issue. Then come to question number B. The queen was worried. Dash is there. She sought help from Tenali Rama. The right answer is yes, you are absolutely correct. The right answer is so. The queen was worried so. She sought help from Tenali Rama. The queen was worried, so she sought help from Tenali Rama. Now, question number C. The king didn't speak to the queen. Yes, is there many ways? Think about the right answer. The right answer is 4. And you have answered it nicely. The king didn't speak to the queen for many weeks. Question number D. The palace was silent. Dash is there. The king was absent. What is the correct answer? Correct answer here is because. Thank you. Now, let's do our homework. That is to be done at home. Answer the following questions. How much you have comprehended the topic? Let me see whether you have understood or not. Do it at home. Who had a quarrel with the queen? Who had a quarrel with the king? What was the name of the queen? Over what kind of matter did the king quarrel with the queen? Whom did the queen seek help from? How did the palace corridor seem after the quarrel? These are the questions for you to be done at home. I think you can do it nicely. Thank you all.
ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର।